Hi children, good morning Nana, welcome to maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home. Yes? Okay Nana. So in the previous class we completed the chapter revision A to C Romans. So what we completed? Chapter revision A to C Romans. Okay. So once again we revise all those points. After we will continue the D Roman. Okay ma? Come on, tell me Nana, if any number is multiplied by 0, we get 0 only. Isn't it? Yes. And next, if any number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number. Okay. If a number is multiplied by, see ma here, 2458 is multiplied by dash to get the product 0. Yes, very good, 0. Okay. Suppose if a number is divisible by 10, a number is divisible by 10, then the remainder is the digit in the ones place. The ones place becomes the remainder. So this part becomes the quotient and the ones place become the remainder. Okay. If the number is divisible by 100, the last two digits become the remainder and this one is the quotient. So here the remainder is 82. The same number is divisible by 1000. The last three digits become the remainder. So what are the last three digits? As 582. So the remainder is 582 and the quotient is 4. Left side is the quotients Nana. Okay. And multiplication by 11, multiplication by 15, multiplication by 99. So and we follow the techniques Nana. If a number is multiplied by 99, we have to follow only 3 steps. Subtract 1 from 45. So now you subtract the 44 from 99. 55. So the answer is these two numbers. So 44, 55. That means 4455. It's a very easy Nana. So if any number is multiplied by 99, first you subtract 1 from the given number. Later you subtract that number from 99. Then these two answers becomes the answer. So 44, 55. Is it clear to you children? And multiplication by 11. 248 is multiplied by 11. Now you have to write these 3 digits in 3 boxes. Now keep this as a ones place. Okay ma? Now you have to add these numbers. 4 plus 8, 12. So 1 carry, 2 down. Now you add these two numbers. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. And you write this last. So the answer is 2728. Is it easy or difficult children? Yes, it is very easy. This is all we completed in the previous class. Okay. And next. We divide when something is distributed or shared equally. Is it true or false? Yes. Division, equally distribution is called division. And you have to remember 2 points Nana. If the value of one item is given and we have to find the value of more items, we multiply. Okay ma? And if the value of many items is given and we have to find out the value of one item, we do division. Okay ma? Don't forget these two children. Okay. And now all of you open your maths classwork children. My dear children, you have to continue the classwork daily Nana. Okay. Page number 51 open. Open page number 51 in your textbook and open the classwork also. D Roman, solve the following. D Roman, solve the following. First one. See Nana, 4 digit by 3 digit number. You have to put the tick mark for the first one as homework. Now I will show you second one. How to multiply that one. 3427 into 205. I will explain the second problem. You do first problem as homework. I will write the homework problem side children. I hope you do the homework sums in the homework book Nana. Okay. The first one, D column, first problem is a homework. Now how to multiply this one, children? 205. So first you multiply ones place. 5 sevens are 35. 3 in hand, 5 is down. 5 twos are 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 in hand, 3 is down. 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. 5 threes are 15, 16, 17. Now keep 0 in the ones place and multiply from the tens place. Here the tens place digit is 0. That means we get zeros only. 0, 0 sevens are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 fours are 0, 0 threes are 0. Now you keep zeros in the ones and tens places and start from the hundreds place. 2 sevens are 14. 1 in hand, 4 is down. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. Now add 5, 3, 5, 7 plus 5. 7 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 in hand, 2 is down. Take 1 finger, 1 after 2. Take 2 fingers, 8 after 9, 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 1 plus 6, 7. Now we will keep commas. 3 digits after comma, then after 2 digits. So this number is 7,02,535. What was the product, Nana? 7,02,535. Come on, note down in your classwork. Now you do third one as also as homework, Nana. Now I will explain fourth one. Okay. So fourth one is 2,56,143 is divided by 27. So division, how we do this division? First you note down the numbers in the dividend place and keep the divisor, and we'll keep the division symbol like this. Now here the divisor has 2 digits. So first you divide the 2 digits in the given number. What are the 2 digits? 25. No, 25 is not divisible by 27. So that you take 3 digits. 256. Now we have to find the nearest number in 27 table. So write down 27 table side. 27 ones are 27. 27 into 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 in hand, 4 is down. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. 54. 27 into 3. 3 sevens are 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. 3 twos are 6, 7, 8. Next 27 into 4. 4 sevens are 28. 2 in hand, 8 is down. 4 twos are 8, 9, 10. 108. 27 into 5. 5 sevens are 35. 3 in hand, 5 is down. 5 twos are 10, 11, 12, 13. 135. 27 into 6. 6 sevens are 42. 4 in hand, 2 is down. 6 twos are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 162. Next 27 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 4 in hand, 9 is down. 7 twos are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 189. 27 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. 5 in hand, 6 is down. 8 twos are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 216. Let us multiply next. 9 sevens are 63. 6 in hand, 3 is down. 9 twos are 18 plus 6. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the number is 243. Okay, yes, it is the nearest number. So you take 9 times, write 9 in the quotient place and 243 down. Now do the subtraction. Close fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 3. 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Left side 0 has no value. Now take down next number 131. Which one is the nearest number? Yes, 108. So 4 times. We write 4 in the quotient place and 108 is down. Now take borrow. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 becomes 2. Now take down 4. 234. Which one is the nearest number? 216. How many times? 8 times. 4 minus 6 is not possible, so that take borrow. 4 becomes 14. 3 becomes 2. 14 minus 6 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you take down 3. 183. 183 nearest number? Yes, 6 times. 162. So 1, 8 minus 6 is 2. So the remainder is 21. So here the quotient is 9486 and the remainder equal to 21. Okay ma? Is it clear to you children? Yes, write down neatly in your classwork and you have to write side 27 table. Okay? Note down Nana. So we will write the quotient down. Quotient. (9,486), remainder 21. Next problem. So 3,19,072 is divided by 40. Okay, the same model you do at home, Nana. Fifth problem also homework. Now sixth problem. Okay, you can do the sixth problem as homework. I will explain the fifth problem. See ma, fifth sum, 3,19,072 is divided by 40. First you note down the numbers and write 40 table. Here see Nana, it's having 2 digits. First you divide 2 digits, but here 31 is there. 31 is less than the divisor, so that you divide 319. Come on, tell me, which one is the nearest number in 40 table? 40 ones are 40, 42s are 80, 43s are 120. See Nana, just you multiply the number and keep 0 to the right side of the product. 40 into 4 means 4 4s are 16 and 0. 40 into 5, 4 5s are 20 and 1 0. 40 into 6, 4 6s are 24 and will keep 0. 40 into 7, 4 7s are 28 and keep 0. 40 into 8, 4 8s are 32 and keep 0. So it's a big number Nana. 320 is the greatest number, so that you take only 7 times. Now do the subtraction. 9, 1 minus 8 is not possible, so that you take borrow 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. And now take down 0. 390. Which one is the nearest number? S. Continue the table. 4 9s are 36. 360 is the nearest number. Now do the subtraction. 9 minus 6 is 3. 0. Take down 7. Now that number is 307. Which one is the nearest number? S. 280. 7. 10 minus 8 is 2. Why? Here 0 is there Nana, so that you take borrow. 0 become 10 and 3 becomes 2. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Left side 0 has no value, so that need not to write. 272. Which one is the nearest number? Yes, 6 times. 240. So do the subtraction. 2 and 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So here tell me the quotient, Nana. Quotient 7976, remainder 32. Write down in your classwork. Next, you do 6th problem as homework, 7th problem also do as homework, Nana. Seventh problem also you do as homework. Now I will explain 8th problem. Seventh problem of homework. 8th problem. Note down 8th problem, children. 1052 into 204. So 1052 into 204. First you multiply by 4. 4 2s are 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So here 0 is there, so that you write 20 down only. 4 1s are 4. Okay. Now keep 0 in the 1's place and start from the 10's place digit. Here the 10's place digit is 0. So that we get 0 only. 0 2s are 0. 0 5s are 0. 0 0s are 0. 0 1s are 0. Now keep 0 in the 1's place and 10's place. Multiply by 100's place. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Here 0 is there, so that we write 10 down only. Okay, ma? 2 5s are 10. 0 means you write 2 numbers down only. 2 1s are 2. Now add these numbers. 8 0 2 plus 4. Take 2 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 4, 1, 2. So the answer is 2,14,608. Let's note down, Nana. Note down in your classwork neatly. Next, 9th sum, Nana. 9th sum. 61,320 is divided by 35. So first you arrange the numbers in the dividend place 61,320, in the divisor place 35. Okay. Yes, here the 2 digits 61. Come on, tell me, Nana, which is the nearest number? 61 to 61 in 35 table. Yes, 35 1s are 35. 35 2s are 2 5s are 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 70 is the greater number, Nana, so it's not divisible. So that you take one time only. 35 1s are 35. Now do the subtraction. 1 minus 5 not possible. So that take borrow. 1 become 11, 6 become 5. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. My dear children, you came to 5th class, Nana. So need not to write again borrowing. Need not to showing, Nana. 1 become 11, 6 become 5. You keep that in your mind. And 5 to 11 you have to count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6. And 3 to 5. 3 after 4, 5, 2. Now take down 3. Now you have to find which one is the nearest number to 263. Continue the table. 35 3s are 3 5s are 15, 1 in hand, 5 is down, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 105. Again 35 4s are 4 5s are 20, 2 in hand, 0 is down, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 140. 35 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand, 5 is down, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 175. 35 6 are 6 5s are 30, 3 in hand, 0 is down, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 210. 35 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 3 in hand, 5 is down, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. So 245. Yes, it is the nearest number 7 times. So you take 7 times 245. Now 3 minus 5 is not possible. So that take borrow. 13 minus 5 is 8. 6 become 5. So 4 to 5 1. 2 minus 2 0. Left side 0 has no value. So that you take down next number 2. 182. Which is the nearest number? Yes, 5 times. Write 5 in the quotient place and 175 down. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible. So that again you take borrow. 2 becomes 12. 8 becomes 7. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So that you take down 0. Now the number is 70. So 35 2s are 70. Tell me what's the quotient, children, here? Yes, the quotient is 1752. You draw the line. This is the table, Nana. And down, reminder. The number left after division, that is 0. Here reminder is 0. Note down in your classwork. Yes, next to E problem, Nana. Note down E. Solve the following. First one, 56,783 is divided by 100. So if the number is divisible by 100, the last two digits become the remainder. So without doing division, we can say the quotient and the remainder. So draw the line. This is the remainder and this part becomes the quotient. Therefore, quotient is equal to 567 and remainder is equal to 83. Already you know that very well, Nana. In the previous class also I explained that when the number is divided by 100, the last two digits become the remainder. Why? Because here two zeros are there, Nana. So the last two digits become the remainder and this left side part become the quotient. Okay. So we can write directly that one. And the second one, Q means quotient, children. R means remainder. Now 24,647 is divided by 1000. Yes, here that number is divisible by 1000. That means 3 digits become the remainder. 3 digits become the remainder. So that you draw the line. Quotient is 24. left side part, and the remainder is 647. So if a number is divided by 1000, the last 3 digits become the remainder and the left side part become the quotient. Yes? Write down, Nana. Next problem. 5,67,235 divided by 10,000. So if the number is divided by 10,000, the last 4 digits become the remainder. Last 4 digits means this. Okay, have to break up this. Now this left side part become the quotient. Quotient equal to 56. Remainder is equal to 7,235. Already we know this. If a number is divided by 10,000, the last 4 digits become the remainder and the left side part become the quotient. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you? So need not to do the division, actual division. Why? Because we know the answer. If the number is divided by 10, the ones place digit become the remainder. If the number is divided by 100, the last 2 digits become the remainder. If the number is divided by 1000, the last 3 digits become the remainder. If the number is divided by 10,000, the last 4 digits become the remainder. Okay, ma? And left side part become the quotient. And next one, fourth one, it's a very easy problem. 5,678 into 10. If a number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, first we write the same number, and how many zeros are there here? Only 1. So we have to add that 1 0 to the right side of the product. Okay, now this number become 56,780. Is it clear, children? Need not to do the multiplication, Nana. If a number is multiplied by 10, we write the same number and we keep 0 to the right side of the product. If the number is multiplied by 100, yes, we write the same number and we'll keep 2 zeros. Okay, Nana? And next one, 45,782 into 15. Note down this one in your classwork. Fifth one, 45,782 divided by 15. Sorry, children, into 15, Nana. So your choice, children. You can do this problem by direct multiplication or you use the multiplication technique. I will explain both. Okay, Nana? First I will explain direct multiplication. 45,782 into 15. 15 2s are 30. 3 in hand, 0 is down. 15 8s are 120. 120 plus 3. 123. So 12 we write side 3. 15 7s are 105 plus 12. 105 plus 12. 117. So we'll write 11 side and 11 up and 7 down. Now 15 5s are 75 plus 11, 86. 86 8 up, 6 down. 15 4s are 60 plus 8, 68. So the answer is 6,86,730. In case if you don't know the 15 table, how can we do? As we using another method. 45,782 and we can write that 15 as 10 plus 5. Okay, so here equal to, we write this number asterisk and we can write the 15 as 10 plus 5. I will write neatly this one. Okay, Nana? So you multiply 45,782 into 10 plus 45,782 into 5. Come on, this one very easy. We write the same number and we'll keep 10 to the right side of the product. But here, need not to do the multiplication. Just you have to write the half of this product. Half of means we divide this number into two parts. That means you divide this number by 2. Okay, Nana? We do this one side. Why? Because it is a big number. So that you have to do the division side. 2 2s are 4, 5. 2 2s are 4, 1. 2 8s are 16, 1. 2 9s are 18, 1, 2. 2 9s are 18, 0. Take down 2. 2 1s are 2, 0. And we'll keep this 0 here. Okay, ma? So what's the answer? 2,28,980. Sorry, 910. Now you add this one. Okay, ma? Add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 plus 9, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 in hand, 6 is down. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. So the answer is 6,86,730. Okay, ma? So here we used the direct multiplication. Here we multiply this by using the multiplication technique of 15. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, children? It is a big problem, Nana, so that you have to feel some difficult. Okay, but nothing is there, Nana. Just here, up to here it becomes very easy. Here only you have to feel some difficult. Okay, so we can't write directly here, so that you have to do the division side, then only we can get the correct answer. After we add this one, ones add, tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay, note down in your classwork. And the last problem, can I rub this one, children? Okay. Last problem, 25,463 into 11. Seema, you can do this number by directly or by using the multiplication technique of 11. I will explain both. Come on, 11 3s are 33. 3 in hand, 3 is down. 11 6s are 66. 67, 68, 69. 6 in hand, 9 is down. 11 4s are 44 plus 6. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 5 in hand, 0 is down. 11 5s are 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 6 in hand, 0 is down. 11 2s are 22 plus 6, 28. So the answer is 2,80,093. Or we use the multiplication technique, means write these numbers in the boxes. 2, 5, 4, 6, 3. Now we write 3 asterisks here. Now you add these two numbers, 6 plus 3, 9. Add these two numbers, 4 plus 6, 10. 1 up, 0 down. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 up, 0 down. Now you add these two numbers. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now you write 2. Finish. So the answer is, therefore, 25,463 into 11 equal to 2,80093. 2,80,093. Okay, ma, your choice, Nana. You can do any method. I think it is very easy method. Nothing is there, Nana. First you note down these numbers in the boxes and keep the ones place asterisk 3. Now you add these two numbers. 6 plus 3, 9. Next 4 plus 6, 10. 2 digits came down, Nana. 1 up, 0 down. Now 5 plus 4, 9. Plus 1, 10. So that 1 up, 0 down. 2 plus 5, 7. Plus 1, 8. Now we write 2 here. So the answer is 2,80,093. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, children? Okay. So listen, children, I hope you understand the today's class. What we completed in the today's class: multiplication, division, and how do we multiply by using the multiplication techniques of 15 and 11. We revised all that, isn't it? Okay, ma? Do you have any doubts in this class? If you have any doubts, you make a call to me. I will explain personally, Nana. Okay? Don't worry about this. But you have to continue the classwork neatly without mistakes. Okay? And you do these problems as homework in your homework book, Nana. So, page number, I will write the page number also. Page number 51. Can you see here? Okay. Page number 51, D Roman 1367. Okay, so you do these problems as homework, Nana. Okay, ma? Bye, children. Take care of yourself.